Have you ever wondered how many shrimps are in the sea? The ocean's depths hide a myriad of mysteries, and one of those enigmas is the humble shrimp. These small yet intriguing creatures can be found in every ocean. Their sheer numbers are truly mind-boggling. But shrimps are more than just a tasty treat. They're a vital part of our marine ecosystems and have some fascinating characteristics that often go overlooked. So are you ready for a deep dive? Let's dive into the fascinating world of shrimps and explore some amazing facts. Did you know there are over 2,000 species of shrimp? That's right, shrimp are as diverse as they are delicious. Some are tiny, barely the size of your fingernail, like the petite, sexy shrimp. Yes, it's actually called that. On the other end of the spectrum, we have the colossal tiger prawn, which can grow to nearly a foot long. Shrimp also come in a stunning array of colors. From the vibrant red of the northern prawn, to the ghostly white of the aptly named ghost shrimp, to the electric blue of the blue tiger shrimp, these crustaceans are truly a feast for the eyes. And let's not forget about their habitats. Shrimp can be found in every ocean on the planet, from the icy waters of the Arctic to the warm currents of the Caribbean. They even inhabit freshwater environments like rivers and lakes. That's a lot of shrimp diversity, wouldn't you agree? Shrimps have one of the most complex vision systems in the animal kingdom. It's a statement that may seem a bit odd when you first hear it. After all, shrimps aren't exactly the first creatures that come to mind when we think about animals with exceptional vision. But like a well-plotted mystery novel, there's more to shrimp vision than meets the eye. Let's start with the basics. Most humans can see a mix of three primary colors: red, green, and blue. Our brains combine these colors to create our full color spectrum, but shrimps? Oh, they've got us beat. They can see an astonishing 16 primary colors. To put it in perspective, that's like seeing the world in ultra-high definition while we're still stuck in standard definition. Beyond the colors, shrimps have a type of vision called trinocular vision. Yes, you heard it right, trinocular, not binocular like us humans. Each of their eyes is divided into three parts, allowing them to have depth perception from just one eye. It's as if they're wearing a pair of 3D glasses all the time. But the wonders of shrimp vision don't stop there. No, they take it one step further. Shrimps have a full 360-degree field of vision. Imagine being able to see everything around you, all at once, without turning your head. It's like having eyes in the back of your head, on the sides, and even on top. It's a level of visual awareness that's hard for us to comprehend. And to top it all off, shrimps can see polarized light. What's that, you ask? Well, it's a type of light that humans can't see. So not only do shrimps see more colors than us, but they also see types of light that are completely invisible to us. In summary, the world of a shrimp is filled with a visual smorgasbord of colors and sights that we humans can only dream of. So next time you see a shrimp, remember it probably saw you first. Shrimps aren't just a tasty treat, they play a crucial role in the ecosystem. When you think of shrimps, you probably imagine a delectable dish served with cocktail sauce, but there's so much more to these small crustaceans than meets the eye. Firstly, let's consider their role in the food chain. Shrimps are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. This diet places them in the middle of the food chain, serving as a link between the top and bottom. They consume organic debris, tiny organisms and algae, converting them into a form that larger predators can eat. So when a fish dines on shrimp, it's also indirectly feasting on all the things that shrimp has eaten. Now let's move from the water column to the ocean floor. Shrimps are known as benthic animals, which means they live on, in, or near the seabed. Here they perform a vital function known as bioturbation. Much like earthworms in your garden, shrimps dig in the sediment. This activity helps oxygenate the seafloor, promoting the growth of other benthic organisms and boosting overall marine biodiversity. And speaking of biodiversity, shrimps contribute significantly to this too. With over 2,000 species of shrimp worldwide, they add a dazzling array of forms, colors, and behaviors to our oceans. Each species has its unique role in the ecosystem, occupying a specific niche. Some are cleaners, ridding other marine animals of parasites. Others are scavengers, consuming dead organisms and returning nutrients back to the ecosystem. So the next time you enjoy a shrimp cocktail, remember that you're partaking in a creature that plays a key role not just on your plate, but in the grand tapestry of the marine ecosystem. From the food chain to the ocean floor, from biodiversity to bioturbation, shrimps are truly unsung heroes of the sea. Without shrimps, our oceans would look very different indeed. Shrimps are fascinating creatures with intriguing behaviors. Let's dive deeper into their underwater world to uncover some of these unique traits. First, consider the molting process. This is something that every shrimp goes through, similar to how a snake sheds its skin. Shrimps, however, shed their entire exoskeleton. Imagine having to change your whole outer layer every few weeks. This process allows the shrimp to grow as their hard exoskeleton doesn't expand. After molting, they hide to avoid predators while their new shell hardens. It's a dangerous time, but an essential part of their life cycle. Next, let's talk about an amazing symbiotic relationship shrimps have with other sea creatures. Known as cleaning symbiosis, this behavior involves shrimps cleaning parasites and dead skin off larger marine animals, like fish or eels. It's a win-win situation. The shrimp gets a tasty meal and their client gets a free spa treatment. It's fascinating to see how shrimps have adapted to carve out their niche in the sea. Finally, let's explore their unique mating habits. Shrimps have a special dance to attract their mates. After the female molts, she releases pheromones into the water to signal her readiness to mate. The male shrimp then performs a courtship dance, flicking his body rapidly to show off his vigor. If she approves, they mate and the cycle continues. It's an underwater ballet of sorts, a dance as old as time. Shrimps are far from being simple bottom dwellers. They're complex creatures with behaviors that reveal their adaptability and resilience. From the shedding of their exoskeleton, their symbiotic relationships with other sea creatures, to their ritualistic mating dances, shrimps exhibit a fascinating array of behaviors. These behaviors make shrimps one of the most interesting creatures in the sea. We've covered a lot of ground, haven't we? Let's take a moment to tie it all together. We've discovered that shrimp aren't just a single species, but an expansive family of over 2,000 varieties, each with its unique characteristics. From the tiny brine shrimp to the giant tiger prawn, the world of shrimp is as diverse as it is intriguing. Then there's the marvel of shrimp vision. These tiny creatures have one of the most complex visual systems in the animal kingdom. With their compound eyes, they can perceive a vast spectrum of colors that surpasses even our own human vision. We've also delved into the pivotal role that shrimp play in our ecosystem. These small creatures are mighty in their impact. They serve as both predator and prey, maintaining the delicate balance of marine life. Their burrowing behavior even helps to oxygenate the seafloor, contributing to the overall health of our oceans. And let's not forget about shrimp behavior. From their intricate mating dances to their ability to communicate through color changes, shrimp are far from simple. They exhibit complex social behaviors that continue to fascinate scientists. So the next time you enjoy a shrimp dish, remember these fascinating facts about these incredible creatures. Shrimp are not just delicious, they're a testament to the wonders of nature and a reminder of the intricate web of life that connects us all.